Right now, India has something no other country has: a young population. More than half of the total Indian population is under 35 years old. That's more than the entire population of Europe. And by 2030, we will hold the major workforce supply of the world. As per a report by McKinsey, 70% of new jobs in India by 2030 will be in blue collar roles, highlighting the rising demand for skilled workers. Let's talk numbers. Big numbers. The electric vehicle market is set to explode, growing 10 times by 2030. That's a rupees 50,000 crore opportunity waiting to be tapped. And it's not just EVs. Advanced manufacturing, including robotics, 3D printing, automation, and more, will require 1 million skilled workers by 2025. While the demand for skilled workers is skyrocketing, our workforce isn't ready. That's where Tata Indian Institute of Skills steps in. Imagine being part of this revolution, building the future one skill at a time. IIS will be a game changer in the skilling space. This transformative vision was set into motion by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who envisioned a future where India's youth led the world in skill excellence. Inspired by global best practices, his leadership has ignited a revolution in vocational training. Recognizing the need for a similar framework in India, the Tata Education and Development Trust took the lead in establishing premier institution for bridging the skill gap. Presenting you Indian Institute of Skills Ahmedabad and Indian Institute of Skills Mumbai, managed by Tata IIS in collaboration with Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. With additional support for IISA from Government of Gujarat, Tata IIS was incorporated as a Section 8 company in 2020, marking the beginning of a transformative journey in skill development. Born out of a vision to bridge the skill gap, Tata IIS is empowering India's youth with cutting-edge training in high-demand sectors like EV, industrial automation, robotics, CNC, 3D printing, welding, and hospitality. IIS, an institution that transforms lives through world-class infrastructure and practical expertise. With state-of-the-art infrastructure and trainers who bring decades of industry experience, we don't just train, we inspire. Imagine going from uncertainty to confidence. That's the Tata IIS promise. At Tata IIS, learning isn't confined to textbooks. It happens in the world-class labs equipped with the latest technology. From robotics, mechatronics, electrical switchgear, additive manufacturing, welding, metrology, to EV battery systems, CNC, every lab is designed to replicate real-world industrial environments. And here's the kicker: we've partnered with global giants. That means you are not just learning, you are training on the same equipment used by industry leaders. Talk about being industry ready. IIS Ahmedabad offers 8 courses and IIS Mumbai caters to 7 courses, designed to meet the demands of the booming manufacturing sector. And here's the best part: 70% of your time is spent on hands-on learning. That's right. Less theory, more action. These courses aren't just about skills, they are about opportunities, guided by trainers with industry exposure and strong industry connections. Tata IIS ensures that every trainee is prepared for promising future jobs. Whether it's building an EV charging station or programming a robotic arm, IIS trainees are leading the next industrial revolution. Meet the Trailblazers, the first batch of Tata IIS trainees. With an impressive placement rate, they have landed roles at top companies like TVS Motors, Sun Mobility, and Tata Motors. These aren't just success stories, they are proof that with the right skills, anything is possible. So what's stopping you from being the next success story? Let's be real. Challenges exist. Awareness is a major hurdle. Most of the youths don't even know about the skill development programs. But Tata IIS is changing the dynamics. With last mile awareness programs, strong industry linkages, firm placement support, and cutting edge curriculum, we are ensuring that no one is left behind. The Tata Indian Institute of Skills is more than an institution, it's a movement to empower India's youth, transform communities, and build a brighter future. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you are a student, parent, industry leader, Tata IIS invites you to be a part of this transformative journey.